Hello friends, welcome to our channel Arvibra Education. Please note that we have recently changed our all social media pages that becomes now arvibra.com on Facebook and arvibra.com on Instagram, and you can search our YouTube channel by arvibra.com. First of all, I would like to welcome everybody in our YouTube channel and thank you for your all loves and support for our part 1 and part 2 video for website designing course. We are planning to launch several other courses because we understand that education is must in India and it should be spreaded. We have recently started our second channel, Arvibra Education in Hindi and Arvibra Education English you are watching currently. So if you would like to see our videos in Hindi version, you can subscribe our another channel, Arvibra Education Hindi. So today's video we are going to proceed with the website designing course part 3. So let's begin. In today's session, before proceeding with the part 3, we would like to tell you for website designing, we need some features, we need some tools and information and knowledge to start building the website. We would like to inform you that we have designed our course into 15 parts, and from these 15 parts, we are now working on part 3. So in the previous two parts, we have learned domain, hosting, server, and the today's session is for cPanel features and applications. And in our next parts we will see planning and feature list needed to set up a website, WordPress installation, admin access level, designing logo, contents, images, poster and banner etc, suitable themes as per planned type of website, suitable plugins that is called softwares, page builders to customize the website contents, web optimization tools like SEO, social media marketing, digital marketing, contact forms to communicate with the customers via emails. If we are proceeding with the e-commerce features, and also we have to understand payment gateways and its configuration methods. In part 13, we will see shipment, delivery, order tracking system configuration methods. Part 14, chat and messaging apps to generate the business sales leads, because that is very important feature nowadays. In the last part, we will see newsletter subscription and membership registration setup, which is boosting to the business. What is domain? What is domain extension? What is domain privacy? Who are the best domain registrar? We have explained in our part 1 video. After part 1, we have launched the second part that was on hosting server. So in this video, you will see what is hosting server and web hosting, function of web hosting server, types of web hosting server, methods of hosting server, selection and best performances, best hosting server providers based on 5 principles, and we have recommended some hosting server providers and you can proceed accordingly. So now we will see today's session part 3 for cPanel and its feature and benefits. So in this session for cPanel we have selected the fast commit dashboards for cPanel. In today's sessions the main topics are introduction of cPanel, features and application access, email management, backup management, file management, SEO and marketing tools we will see, database management, domains controls, metrics and analytics, security features, softwares, advanced feature and preferences, website builder, ready themes, Softaculous app installer, Planet WordPress. So let's proceed. Introduction of cPanel. What is cPanel? cPanel basically is one of the most popular Linux-based web hosting control panel, displaying key metrics about your server information and allowing you to access a range of modules including files, preferences, database, web applications, domain, metrics, security, softwares, advanced and email modules. So in other words, we can say that cPanel is an online Linux-based graphical interface, that is GUI, used as a control panel to simplify website and server management. cPanel basically allows you to publish your website, manage your domains, organize web files, create email accounts, and more. cPanel is one of the most popular control panels in the United States. Basically, this term cPanel started from the United States. Now we will see the general information about the cPanel. When you are buying a hosting server, in that hosting server account you are getting a cPanel access, and under these the general information you can see that current user means who is using the hosting server. And when you configure your cPanel, you need to have a primary domain, so that a primary domain is needed. In that general information section, you can see your hosting server IP address. For example, in this case, in this example, we have selected the shared hosting plan. So if you want to know more about the hosting plans type, you can watch our part 2 video where you will understand what is shared hosting and all. Come back to the topic. Shared IP address, you can see here. Home directory, it means that your primary domain directory is on under the home section. Last login IP address, you can see that IP address from which internet access you are using, it is appearing. And server information you can see. Statistics you can see. Statistics means allocated space on hosting server what you are getting it. So here in this case you can see that the hosting server, shared hosting server, was utilized 13.75, that is 48,114 MB has been already used. And the disk usage, the plan, you can see that here I have selected 25 GB shared hosting package plan, and into that 7.16% is utilized so far. So 1.79 GB. Currently we are running on 12 subdomains. You can see that domains and subdomains. Add-on domains are 11 and subdomains are 12. So you can see that 11 12 website, after using 11 12 websites, still we have utilized only 7%. So if you are selecting your hosting server plan, so it can give you the space of around 50 websites minimum, I can say 50 websites you can launch on your shared hosting plan if you're selecting a minimum one. So here you can see that the SQL Server disk user space is also there. Bandwidth you can check. Then how many domains you have published on your hosting server you can see. And email accounts, here we have also created 8 email accounts for the different websites. So you understand that the whatever email we are receiving, it carries some space in MBs and all. So after utilizing the complete space, still we have utilized only 1.79 GB. So same way you can see the other information on the right side: autoresponder, forwarders, email filters, FTP accounts, SQL database. 14 SQL database has been established. What is the database? Database basically is it is helping to launch your website. Database is carrying all the information of your website, picture, images, and everything. So you can see that 12 subdomains are there, and 12 two are other databases. So this is how it all works. So let's proceed with the next slide. Under the cPanel, we will look at first email management section, because each and every hosting server cPanel fast commit shared hosting plan is selected for this video presentations. In the email section, you can see that email accounts you can create. You can create a forwarders. Forwarder means that you have a common email, let's say, and you have created multi emails from your different domain names. So you can forward those email IDs email on a specific email ID. If you have a personal email ID, if you want to use only one email ID, you can forward all the emails to that. Email routing, autoresponder works, for example, if you receive any email and you want to respond your sender automatically, so you can use autoresponder. Default address, you can use a default domain name for each and every email ID creation under the main server. Track deliveries, whatever the email you are sending or receiving, you can track the deliveries. Global email filter means any spam email or something which is coming or outgoing on the global level, you can filter it. Email deliverability, address importer, spam filters, which is helping to filter all the emails, and the spam emails they are deleting it or they are neutralizing. So this is how email management functions works. Calendar and contacts, it is a common service. Email disk uses means our you can monitor how much disk space, I mean to say server space, your email ID is utilizing. You can see the details. Professional spam filters is provided by Fast Commit, so each and every email is scanned by the Fast Commit server before it get delivered into your email. So you are totally safe when you use the Fast Commit hosting server. JetUp backup management, how it works. It is actually taking a full account backups that includes your websites, email ID and everything. File backups, whatever the images and all you are keeping, and that is taking the file backups and all. Clone job backups, so you can we will explain these things in detail if you want. So write in comment. We will develop a videos on in detail. DNS zone backups, basically all the domains what we are having. Let's say if you are having your own domains, so definitely you may be using a specific domain service provider. But if you are working on the client level, your clients are not buying from the one registrar, so in that case what we are doing, we are going and changing the DNS server to route to our hosting server. So all domains, let's say your client's domain is also accommodated to your hosting space. So DNS zone backups, so it means your domain DNS need to be changed. DNS zone backups are taking backup on everyday basis so that your domain can work properly and your websites can function properly. Database, your websites, your images, your files, your contents, everything which is running online is getting access of database. So database basically creating a backups on daily basis, so that if something is wrong on your website, you can go to the last saved backup and you can relaunch your website, and your website will work neutrally. Email backups, it is the same thing. Email backups using, you can, for example, you have deleted or you have lost your emails, and also using email backups you can reinstall your backups. Now we will see the main features, the main thing of control panel, that is file management. So you can see file manager is there, and under file manager you can see all the files, images and content, and you can add or delete using the file manager. It is similar to our computer's folder management. Inodes, then images, then directory privacy, disk uses you can monitor, FTP accounts you can see, backups you can manage. You can if very old backups are there and you don't need it, you can go and delete simply so that you can save the space. Backup wizards, GIT, version control services. So basically Fast Commit is providing many other services which is not provided by the other hosting servers. So we have recommended Fast Commit in our hosting server part 2. Now let's come on the SEO and marketing tool. Basically this tool is not offered by all these hosting service provider. Only Fast Commit and some of the reputed companies are providing these services. How it works, basically marketing is the base of any business grow. So for these features you are paying extra money if you're buying the hosting server from the other companies who don't provide these services. But when you choose Fast Commit hosting server, you are getting the services free of cost, because that is the inbuilt features. So get in Google. So if you want to rank your domain on the Google website in the search bar, so you can use this tool. SEO tools, you can, if you are not tech savvy and you are not much aware about the what are the SEO tools and all, so you can use this function, and you can increase your website traffics and all. Link building is something like a keyword domain linking or any other pages linking on the different buttons and all. You can use building session on your website. and then search engine ranking, that is bringing your web domain or any specific page on the top rank. It is helping. Database management. What is database management? Database management is basically two types of database showing here in the screen. You can have a SQL database or a PHP database backup, because Fast Connector is providing these things. We will see that what are the softwares are used in website development. So basically database, we are, so you might see in some of the websites it is showing that under construction or under development, or we are launching our website, this type of the banner is appearing on the home page. So you can use site publisher function, so that you can announce your audience saying that for so and so date or for so and so countdown timer we are launching our website. So basically site publisher is working on that function. Domains domains is basically for your clients or for your own domains to be connected. Add-on domains, if you are not having domains from the single registrar, it is having a multi-registrar domains, and also you are going and changing your DNS settings and you are adding on your hosting server. So that is add-on function. Add-on domain function is working. Subdomains, how it works. So for example, you have a domain arvibra.com, and under that domain you want to create something like that: school.arvibra.com, passion.arvibra.com. So these are the subdomains. Small words in front of your domain name and it becomes subdomain. So it is these all files are working on same domain, and you have created a separate passage under the same domain, and you are building your website or the content. Once you have developed that, you can shift subdomain to the main domain. You can launch your website. Redirects. So for example, some of the times you are using one domain and public's not much aware about your old domain or something like that, so you can use the redirect the domain by launching a new domain name. Let's say your domain is abc.com and you want to send your audience to xyz.com. So from abc to xyz.com you have to redirect your domain. So if somebody will click on abc.com, he will visit to the page xyz.com. So that is how it works, redirects. DNS zone editor, very rarely used functions, but in fast commit you are getting that DNS zone editor function as well. Dynamic DNS, how it works. Dynamic DNS is basically auto created DNS. It is managed by the fast commit technical team or the hosting service provider technical team. Don't disturb any setting into the dynamic DNS, otherwise it will affect on your domain working functions. Metrics management. What is metrics? Basically, a metric function, by using the metric function, you can identify the visitors on your domain. You can identify how many type of errors are appearing on your domain or the website. What is the bandwidth of your server or the websites and all. You can check the speed. Then AW states, it is showing the ranking on the page performances of your website. Resource pages means what are resources you have used on the hosting server, means space or how you are utilizing the hosting server, you can see under these sections. Security management, that is the very important feature provided by the fast commit, and we totally believe and we have experienced the good services by for fast commit on the security level. So we will discuss on the SSL certificate. Normally, SSL is the security for each and every domain. If you are not having the SSL certificate for your domain, normally your viewers are not trusting on your website, or let's say the payment transactions and other things. So these features like IP blocker or SSL or TLS certificate, API token, then hot links protection, then leech protection, SSL and TLS settings, then mod security, two-factor authentication and SSL certificate. These all coming free of cost from the Fast Commit hosting server. Other service provider, I don't say every service provider, but some of the service provider, they are charging SSL certificates fees for each and every domain around $10 to $15 on the annual basis. So that is a very high cost for each and every domain. Let's say if you're running a domain for 1 year, so you have to buy SSL certificate for 1 year, and if you are having a 10 website, so you have to pay for SSL certificate 10. But when you buy fast hosting server, this feature you are getting for the free of cost, you are getting for the unlimited domains what you are launching through your hosting server. Softwares, so these are the softwares features provided by the Fast Commit. You can see that Ghost Publishing Platform, Cloudflare, then Fast Commit Website Builder, they are providing you the ready-made website. Also you have to just launch Website Builder provided by Fast Commit, and you can edit the content and you can launch your website. Then PHP packages are there, Perl packages are there. If you are technically aware about these things, Node, JavaScripts and all, Python, and then PHP and all, if you are aware of it, you can utilize it. Otherwise you can simply go and utilize the WordPress managed by Softaculous. Softaculous basically a complete app installer, and WordPress, we can say, a platform which is allowing you or which is giving you access to build your website. So in our complete website designing course, we have we have focused on the WordPress things, because we want to develop course for easy understanding. So we have used WordPress in our complete website designing course. So be focused. Advanced tools. So you can see that terminals, cron jobs, indexes, Apache handler, error pages, then MIME types and viruses. If our website is having any website or domain or hosting server is having any virus, automatically Fast Commit is scanning that and the viruses. So you don't need to buy any separate antivirus software for your hosting server or domains and all. It is automatically function. So these all services come all inclusive in your package, and it's a free of cost from the Fast. Now we will see the website builder ready-made themes, as we have discussed in the previous slides. Fast Commit is providing the ready-made website builder, so it's the same things what we are discussing in this section. Fast Commit website builder themes, they are providing the ready-made website themes. You can select any one from the available list. You can simply use Fast Commit website builder and you can launch your website, and you can edit the content as per your choice. You can edit the pictures and all. So it's a kind of a ready-made websites available for you. So these features is also free of cost. Now, this is the main slide. This is the main topic of our third part. Basically, Softaculous app installer is carrying many platforms to launch your website. We will look into WordPress, but apart from the WordPress, there are other platforms which is also helping to develop the website, like Joomla, Avanticart, basically used for the e-commerce website, PHP, BB, SME, FWHMC as a real estate type of website development, then Dolphin, and there are several other things. And now if you will choose the category, so you are getting options to choose on the category wise app as well. So blogs, microblogs, then portals, CMS, then forums, image gallery type of website, then wikis, social networking type of the website development, ad management, calendars, gaming, and there are several other categories. Once you select the categories, you will get the platforms, which are the platforms are best to develop the websites. You will get the recommendation as well. In this video and the complete website designing course, we will discuss about the WordPress. Look into the WordPress script. Basically it's a platform, as we say. So in technical terminology, WordPress is a kind of a app installer script. Now we are into the last and final feature of our hosting server, that is the WordPress Planet. So what WordPress Planet is giving you, it is giving you the recommendations, ideas, how to develop your website into the professional level. So you can go to 80 themes and then solo stream themes, then themify themes section is giving you recommendations and ideas about the themes and the used plugins and all that. We will see themes and plugins in our the next videos. WordPress is also giving you an idea what are the best themes for your planned website and all. This is all inclusive into the package. There is no separate charge you have to pay to the hosting service provider. If you are planning to buy a hosting server, so we will recommend you to go for a fast commit, and we have also provided the link for fast commit hosting server in our video description. Hope you have liked our part 3 video session today. For social media pages, you can look at arvibra.com on Facebook pages, Instagram same arvibra.com, and hashtag arvibra.com. So if you are new to our channel, or if you are already a subscriber, so have a like and comment on that, and we need your suggestion to develop and bring the more type of the courses which can help everybody. So like and comment and subscribe our channel, and thanks for your love and support. If you really think that this video helped you something, or our site designing course is helping you to gain the knowledge, please share with your friends. Thank you friends, have a great day.